Hands-on PLC unlock the power of TIA portal for industrial automation. Let us explore the basic operation using a PLC. So the primitive logic operations are OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. So first let us explore how to do the program for a OR operation. So the control behavior is the light should on when either switch A is on or switch B is on. Otherwise it should be off. The task is implement this behavior using a PLC ladder logic. The simple ladder logic OR operation, let us first see what is the truth table behind the OR operation. Have a two inputs and one output. Let us define the two inputs as A and B and one output as light. So this off condition is represented as 0 and this off condition is represented as 0. So when A is 0 and B is 0, the output is also 0. And when A is 0 and output is 1, B is 1, the output is 1. And for other condition, that is 1 0, the output is 1, and the last condition 1 1, the output is 1. So let us see how we are going to do the PLC ladder logic program. We have a rung. Okay, so here the left part of the rung is a positive voltage and the right part of the rung will be the common part. So here we have a two switch. Okay, so two switch as a, so which is represented as a normally open contact, and you have a two switch and one light. Okay, so here if you have this law or condition, you will represent the switch like this. So first A, then light, then B is latched to A. When input A or switch B is on, the light is on. This is a condition behind the OR logic, and this is a program behind the OR operation. Next, moving to AND operation, and it's very clear that the OR operation is, there is a reciprocity of AND operation. The light should on when either A is on and switch B is on. Okay, so in OR operation OR, but in AND operation both should be on, otherwise it should be off. Okay, so let us see how we implement this behavior using a PLC ladder logic. Let us see what is the truth table behind the operation. Similar to the OR, we are going to have a two input and one output. Let us define the input as A and B and the output as light. Okay, so when only one condition it is on, that is 1 it is high, and for other condition it is off. So the PSC ladder logic function, the program will be represented as the input A and the input B are connected in series, and you have a light. When the input A and switch B is on, then the light will be on. And lastly, let us see what is the principle behind the NOT operation. The light should be on when switch A is on, otherwise it should be off. Okay, so here we are going to have only one input and one output. So when input is high, output is high. When input is low, output is low. Okay, so the program behind this is only a one switch followed by a light. Okay, so this is a concept behind the NOR operation. And next, the PLC ladder logic symbols. We have a ladder logic symbols. The input is represented as a switch. It is going to scan and execute the symbol. So we have a two switch. One is a normally open switch. Another one is normally closed switch. So this is on condition, that is true, and this is normally off condition, and it is represented as false. The programming with NC context. If you want an action turn on, the switch is closed, the relay is energized, use this. And if you want action turn on when switch is open, relay is de-energized, and we have to use this symbol. Thank you.